Hey, y'all. So I told y'all that a diamond painting related video would be coming. And here it is. Look what I got. Oh my goodness, y'all. Let me move my tea. This is a tea of a kind. And I actually got this one in Montgomery at a Mapco gas station. Usually I'll order the variety box of them from Amazon. They're pretty good. But I'm going to get that out of the way because this is what you came for. So I've been looking at this one for months and months and months. Because I don't know. Okay, so it's Diamond Art Club. You know, it's not Diamond Art Club. It's just Diamond Art by Leisure Arts, powered by Diamond Dots. So basically, this is a Diamond Dots kit. But it says premium specialty gems. It was $39.99, but I got it 40% off. Because you know, at Hobby Lobby, and that's where I got it. I got it at Hobby Lobby. Like every other week, their diamond paintings are 40% off. And I just happened to walk in there while they were 40% off. So we gotta get this sucker open. Let's see. Okay, so this one was open, but this one's still down. And I didn't do this. I promise, I promise, I promise. I did not open this. I have not seen this. I wanted you to know my true, actual responses. Oh. Kit includes 1 high quality color paint printed fabric. So this is a 18.5 by 22.6 inch, which is 47 centimeters by 57 centimeters. The gems are pre-sorted by color, and obviously there are 5.57 ounces of gems. There's a stylus pen, a craft tray, wax, and a comfort grip, which we call the squishy. It's a squishy. So let's look at this one. This one reminds me of, I don't know, like Narnia type vibes. I get Narnia, or either this is what Harry Potter's real Patronus would look like if it was a real deer. Okay, come on. I'm going to tear the ball. Alright, so. Okay, I heard my dad come in, so I needed to stop and shut my door. It never fails. He leaves, and I go, okay, I can do some filming, and then he comes home. Okay, so let's look. Jesus. Alright, yeah. Every time I start the video and he comes home, if my door's shut, he's got to yell and tell me about something. Tonight it was a package. I'm not editing that out. I don't think. I might. I had something else happen. My jump drive came off of my computer. Okay, can I get back to this? Okay, let's look. Let's look. Ooh, I'm gonna need a light pad, y'all. Oh, that's pretty though. Oh, that's so pretty. Yes. Oh my goodness. Oh, look at this. It's actually darker. Me looking at it, it's darker. Okay, why'd they fold it like this? Now, you know, Diamond Dots is the tough canvas. It's not as soft and fuzzy as Diamond Art Club. This is pretty though. It's gonna take a minute for me to get this to unfold. It really is. That's the only thing about these tough canvases. But I tell you what, this is pretty. I will need, because of the lighting in this room, I will definitely need my light pad to do this. But it's gorgeous. It is absolutely gorgeous. Wow. I mean, I'm looking at it and I can see the detail, and I think you can too. And I'll show you. I think it's interesting they have this like border around it. So see how clear they are? Come on, let it focus. Okay, come on, try this again. You can tell I haven't done a video in a hot minute. There we go. Nice and clear. I take a look over here. They have a legend up here. See, now it needs a minute to refocus. And it has one down here. If I have the light pad, I don't see anything that's going to be trouble. Not really. That's good. Let's take a look at the beads. Crinkle, crinkle. Y'all, I haven't diamond painted in so long. I need to get back to that, oh, what do you call it? I need to get back to that elephant. I'm going to pull you down so you can really, really, really see. There we go. The beads and how pretty they are. Okay, so here's our kit. We have baggies. We have our stylus pen, our tray, our wax, and our squishy. Oh, it's a red squishy. Well, it's kind of pink. That might be pink, but it's cute. I don't do pink too well. Alright. So it looks like we've got 3 trains here. Yeah, we have 3 trains. So let's start here. I'm going to turn them over so you can see it. It's kind of a brown. This looks like black. Remember, they don't use DMC numbers. Yep, those are the same color. Got 2 of those. Kind of a reddish brown. I don't know what this is. Ooh, kind of a gray. There's a little hitchhiker. I turn these over. Looks like a lot of brown and blue. Lots of browns and blues. Those are pretty. Oh, that's an interesting. Wait. That's yellow. A16. Alright, let's look for 16. I gotta see where this goes. J. Oh, okay. So it goes like right there. And it looks like there's a little up here in the antlers right there. Okay, so there's a little yellow. That looks like a really dark brown. Now, just looking at this, they're all regular, because you know the 8000s, I do believe, are regular ones. Let me see. Or is it the 5000s that are regular? These are all in the 8000s. They're pretty though. That's a little bit of white or browns. And then there's some blue and some gray. I think this will be very dynamic when it gets done. Does it actually have a name on here? It's just called Deer. Okay. So, I know that was a quick one, but I mean, it's gorgeous. Let's check the sticky because we got a minute. We got a minute. Let's check the sticky. Yeah. It is definitely sticky. Like I said, it has this one spot right here. It's like, here's part of the canvas before you start the diamond painting. But this, the whole image is diamond painted. So I would say that this is a full drill, not a partial. Dark on dark is not my favorite, I must say. Like this right here. It's like brown with black symbols. This is not my favorite. Are they lighter? Yes, but Lord, you should see them just sitting on the table, not through the camera. It's really dark. It's really, really dark. So if you're going to get this one, I would suggest that you have a light pad. It's beautiful. Can't wait to do it. But get a light pad. All right, y'all. So I hope that you got something out of this unboxing because I do think it's pretty. I do. I just am disappointed in the black symbols on the brown part of the canvas. And also with the dark blue. That's a bit much too. So, will I do it? Yes. Yes, I'm going to do it. Of course I'm going to do it. I'm going to do this one. But, you know, it's not going to be high on my list. It won't be high on my list. I give you my honest opinions. I tell you exactly what I think of them. And this is what I think of them. I'm not paid to say good things. And I wouldn't anyway. Because that's not who I am. I'm going to shove these back in here. You know I ain't sticking them back in that thing. Y'all know. You know. Alright. Okay, guys. So if you're looking, if you've been looking at this one, do I think it's worth it? Yes. But fair warning, you need a light pad. Or either really good lighting in your room. That's what I can tell you about this one. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and my honest first look at it. And hey, you know what? I'll be back with a whipping chat coming up real soon. So you just stay tuned. You never know. Might be tomorrow. Might be this weekend. Who knows? But I do know that I am working on scheduling more. Planning. Oh, sorry. Oh, it's really late. Planning more videos. Brainstorming about videos to do. So I'm going to try to get a little more regular and a little more often with my posting. May not be consistent with what days, but I have a goal this month, 3 to 4 videos a week. Y'all help me stick to that, okay? 3 to 4 videos a week for January. All right, guys. Until next time. Bye, y'all.
Make sure to like and share this video. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and hit that bell.